Hello guys, how are you today? We are gonna do the 9 first figures. Okay, I'm gonna do them really fast so you can do them. First thing, we need to have our work in millimeters. Let's use this camera, the overhead or plant. Let's move it with the hand. Okay, first figure. Let's do a rectangle. It's gonna be 30, 0 millimeters, then press enter. Let's use the mirror parallel to the green axis, 10 millimeters, and then close it with the pencil. Let's give the volume, it's gonna be 30 millimeters, and then press enter. Let's change it a little bit. Let's change the point of view with the orbital tool, and then 20 millimeters. Okay, we will have the first figure. Let's remove this line and this other line. Okay, next figure. Let's do it, for example, here. I'm gonna do then all of them in diagonal. Okay, so it's gonna be here, for example, 30, cherry, and then we have to do like the Tetris piece. So if we click in the top left corner of the square, 10 millimeters, then press enter, and then let's draw the Tetris figure. 10 millimeters, all of them in parallel to the axis, to the green or red axis, 10 and 10. Okay, that's already closed. Let's use the orbital tool, same process. Let's give the volume 30 millimeters, 20 millimeters. Okay, next figure. Let's do the figure, for example, here, 30, 0. That one is very similar to the first one. I mean, the beginning is the same. Here, okay, then let's do the line 10 and the percent. Oops, that wasn't 10, sorry. That one is 30. 30, enter, and then the height 30 and 20. Okay, right now we just have to do the ramp. So let's mark here 10 millimeters as a point of reference, and then from this point that we already marked, another 10 millimeters and 10 millimeters, and then let's join. So we already have the triangle, and let's give it the volume like 10 millimeters. Okay, we will have also the third figure. Let's change the camera. Let's see which one is the fourth figure that I don't remember. So, oops, it's not here, here. Okay, for that one, what I'm gonna do first, it is like this part, the bottom part, and then after that I'll do this part and this part. So let's change the point of view. Let's move it, for example, here. Let's draw it. That one was 30 millimeters also. Okay, so 30, press enter. It is that one needs to be in the green edge, in the blue edge, sorry, because I'm gonna draw it vertical. So 20 millimeters, and then that one Also in the blue axis, 10 millimeters, and yeah, because that one is 20 millimeters high and 10 millimeters high. Right now I just have to join them, okay, and now I'm gonna give it, I'm gonna do this 10 millimeters, okay, so 10 millimeters, okay. Right now I just need to do here in the red axis 10 millimeters and close it here, and that one is 20 millimeters. The deep, it is 20 millimeters, so 20. Okay, let's do this figure, which that one it is 10 millimeters high, 10 millimeters, and that one is 15. Okay, so let's use this to mark the reference point. 15. Okay, 15, then we have this point, and that one is going to be 10. Okay, so now we mark here blue axis, okay, 10, and from here to here another 10. Okay, let's use the pencil. Okay, there we have it. Right now use the 20. There we have the figure. Okay, we can check that the front, the left view, left view, and the top view. Okay, let's go with the fourth figure. Which one is it? The fourth one. Okay, that one is very similar. I'm gonna draw it in plan again. Okay, so let me remember the figure. Okay, I'm gonna do this rectangle first. So the rectangle is a rectangle of 10,30 millimeters. So I'm gonna write 30,10 millimeters. Okay, perfect. And now this part, it is 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna draw it with the pencil. It's gonna be 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then I finish it. How much is the height? This part is going to be 10 millimeters and that one is going to be 20. Okay, so let's use this tool. 20 and 10. Okay, perfect. Let's go with this figure, which is similar to the first one, but this is 10 and 20 millimeters. Okay, so let's do it. Let's use the rectangle 30,30, then 10, and let's close this rectangle 30. Okay, that one, this small rectangle is gonna be 20 millimeters high, and that one is gonna be 10. Okay, let's draw the ramps. They are easy. I'll use 20 millimeters here, 10 millimeters here, sorry, and then there we have the triangle. That one is gonna be 10 millimeters, perfect. And the same here, 10 millimeters. Okay, and then another 10 millimeters and press enter. Okay, perfect. We just have to do these 3 figures. They are like 2 rectangles. Okay, that one is gonna be, for example, 25, 25, and 25. Why not? Here, for example, 25, 25, and that one it's gonna have a depth of 10 and a width of 40. So that one is gonna be 40, 10. Okay. What else? It's gonna be 60 millimeters of height, this rectangle. So 60, yes, and I'll remove this line. Okay, and that one is gonna be 25, 25. Okay, what else do I need? I need this circle. Okay, for the circle, let's use the circle. It's gonna be here, for example, something like 6 millimeters. Why not? Okay, and it's 10 millimeters deep. Okay, we will have it. Perfect. We just have to do 2 more figures. That one is very easy. We are gonna do it, for example, here. Not in this angle. No. What's going on? I don't need this figure to be, this circle to be in this plane. So let's change the point of view. Okay, to the front, and let's see if we can draw it here, for example. Okay, 6 millimeters. Let's use, for example, 14. Why not? And then another one. Not in the center, but it's gonna be, if that one is 14, let's use from the center half of 14, which is 7. Let's mark this point, and then let's do another circle with a radius of 7. Yes, I think the figure, it's something like this, isn't it? I think it might be in the center. Okay, let's use, for example, I don't know, 40 and 20. Why not? It's something like this. That one might be, instead of 40, 60, I don't know. Last one, let's see, how can I do that? Okay, I'm gonna do 2 rectangles of seri, seri, and then give the height, and I'm gonna do it like this. Where are my figures? Okay, that one just disappeared. So let's see if I can move this figure, mover, no, I can select, no, okay, no worries. Last figure, oops, mover, I'm gonna do it here, for example, and I told that it would be 2 rectangles of 30, isn't it? Or squares in this case, 30, 30, and then another one, 30, 30. Why not? To do this part, I just have to do 2 lines, something like this. Let's see now. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do it like that. Let's give it the height. The height is gonna be 10 for this part. So just 10, and the other one is gonna be 50, for example. 50. There we have. So now we need to do this deck. We are gonna do it like this. We are gonna mark the center, this center, okay, change the point of view, and then from the center, blue aces, okay, it might be, for example, 25 more millimeters, for example, okay, and then let's join the points, and it's created automatically, okay. Let's continue that one with that one, okay, and that one with that one, okay. Oops, okay, it's already finished. So that way we've done the 9 first figures, okay. Is there any problem here? No, it's because of the point of view. Yes, it's because of the point of view. We do have here every figure. You should right now color the figures, like let's color them. We're gonna use different colors for the front, for the overhead, and for the left view, okay. Also remember that in some figures you'll have to erase some lines, like that one, for example. So you just have to check figures and realize that they are perfect. This line, that one, etc. Okay, perfect, guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. There we have the plant of our figures. We may change the point of view to the top, to the front view, and also to the left view, okay. Perfect. Have a nice day, guys.